Hello YouTube creator. Today we will create a playlist in the YouTube. For that you need to go to your channel, scroll down and go to your video, and at the left hand side there is a playlist. Click on the playlist, and at the top right hand side of your screen there is a new playlist. Click on the new playlist, write a playlist name, and then click on create. Playlist is created. Now go to the content, select the video that you want to insert in the playlist. Video is selected. Now go to the add to playlist option. Select the playlist that you want to insert your video. Click on save. I want to insert more videos in the playlist, so let me select the videos. My playlist is regarding about short videos. In this way you can insert the videos in sequence. In the same way, go to the add playlist and click on the short videos and done. Let's go to the playlist and check. The first one is my playlist. These are the selected videos inside the playlist. This is how it is done. Now let's go to the mobile view. This is very simple and easy. Go to the YouTube icon. At the bottom right hand side there is a library. Click on the library. Go to create a new playlist. Select the videos that you want to insert in the playlist. Press on the next button. Write your playlist name. Go to the privacy and choose public. Press on create. Your playlist is created and you can see your playlist. I have 3 selected videos in my playlist. This is how you can create your playlist in mobile. Thank you for watching my video, guys. And if you do like my channel, please subscribe and go through my channel. There are more videos, like you can create YouTube channel art, the banner, and you can create the thumbnail with free app through mobile. There are more videos, so you can go through my channel. Thank you again for watching my video. So we'll meet again in the next video.